Here we are, out and about at nighttime. We went to Rhonda's house to get her laundry, and we got into a heck of a rainstorm here. Coming home, Charlie's having a fit. You don't like it. You don't like it one damn bit. Usually we can go 55 on this access road, but with the rain coming down so hard and hydroplaning, you go about 35 or 40. Ain't that right, Charlie? And you don't want to. Can't we go faster? So humid, I haven't been able to do the laundry because it's so humid in there, in that laundry room. And humidity gets in my apartment, and I have run my dehumidifier. It doesn't even kick off. It just keeps running. And just so much humidity. Like I dump it like 3 or 4 times a day. But it's supposed to be 75 tomorrow, so this rain will be moving out of the area here in a little bit. What time is it? It is 8:17. Oh, the pavement's dry here. Ain't even raining here, Charlie. Was you happy to go see Rhonda and Jack? Yeah? You was? You don't go very much because you're a bad rider. You're a bad passenger. Just make way too much noise. You stress me out. Can you sit and be quiet? You want to go home? Okay. Okay, we'll go home. The RV park's lit up. Watch for deer in here and falling trees. Yeah, we do. Gotta watch for the deers and the trees that just tip over. Got the window down. He's always rolling the window down. Yes, he is. Can't even see me in the dark. Okay, Charlie, here's our turn. My hair's a mess. I've been rained on. Everything else. Cooking, cleaning. Oh my goodness sakes. Oh my goodness sakes. Oh, see if we can park by the front door. Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Oh boy. You know where you're at? You do? Abatada. Let me get my mail. Get the mail.